Hello everyone, welcome back in this channel. So in this tutorial, we want to discuss more about on how to change the font in Microsoft Excel. So basically, different fonts are used in worksheet to make it more appealing to the reader and to relate or distinguish data in the worksheet. So we can do it practically. So the first thing to do when we want to change the font, it is to make the cell active. For example, if you want to change the font in this cell, this is cell A1 and the contents are name. So the first thing to do is to make the cell active by left clicking once, and then you can see this green color. This green color at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that you have made this cell active. So the next thing to do is to click on the font box arrow. So you can follow my pointer here. So up here, you can see here, there is this word written Cabri. But there is an arrow here, which is the font box arrow. So you're going to left click once. And definitely it is going to open this font gallery with different types of fonts arranged alphabetically. So for example, you're going to change the font from Calibri, which is the original font at this point, to Cambria. So you're going to scroll downwards to different fonts. So as I scroll downwards to different fonts, you can see a live preview of the changes in the font on cell A1, which has the contents name. So I'm going to scroll downwards. We have said that these fonts are arranged alphabetically. So I'm going to change it to Cambria. So I'm going to scroll downwards up to Cambria. So you can see a live preview of the changes in the font. So I'm going to left click on Cambria. So left click once, and definitely you have changed the font from Cabri to Cabri. As you can see up here, now it is no longer Cabri, but it is Cambria. So we can still do another practical. For example, you want to change the font in cell C1, which is chemistry. This is C1, meaning that you can see in the row it is at C, and then in the column it is at 1. So this is cell C1. So the first thing to do is to make the cell active by left clicking once. So after left clicking once, you can see there is a green color at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that you have made this cell to be active. So the next thing to do is to click on the font box arrow, which is up here. You can follow my pointer, left click on this one. So it is going to display this font gallery with different types of fonts, whereby you have said they are arranged alphabetically. So we want to change this font still from Cabri to Cambria. So you're going to scroll downwards. You're going to scroll downwards up to Cambria. Scroll downwards up to Cambria. They are arranged alphabetically. So you are going to left click on Cambria. So as you can see here, there is a difference between this font in cell B1, which is English, and cell C1, which is chemistry. There is a difference in the font. So we can still change the font in cell D1 and see the difference between these fonts. So the first thing to do, as you have said, is to make the cell active by left clicking once, and then it is going to color this region here, the perimeter of this cell, with this green color here. So it means that it is the cell which is active. So the next thing to do is to click on the font box arrow. So we are going to left click once. So at this time, we can change the font from Cabri to Algerian. So we are going to scroll downwards up to Algerian. So point to Algerian and then left click once. So as you can see here, there is a difference between this font at cell C1 and at D1. There is a difference in these two fonts, as you can see. So we can still change the font in geography. So what you're supposed to do is to make the cell active, then follow my pointer, click on the font box arrow here. It's going to display the font gallery here, and then you can point out to different fonts and then click the fonts that you like. So at this point, maybe you can change to Cabri to Arial, rounded, empty, bold. So you're going to left click once. So as you can see here, there is a difference between these fonts. So lastly, we can still do another practical by changing the font in English, that is, it is cell B1. So you're going to left click once to make the cell active. As you can see, there is a green color the perimeter of this cell. So then click on the font box arrow here. It is going to display different fonts. So I'm going to scroll downwards. For example, maybe at this point we can change to, maybe you can scroll still downwards. There are various font sizes, font different fonts. You are going to change to maybe to elephant, whereby you are going to left click once. So, and then let us increase this one so that it can be visible. As you can see, there is you can see here, this font, this font, this font, this font, and this font. You can see there is a difference between those fonts. So basically you choose a font that you like most, or that you like. So for example, you can still change the font in cell A2, that is John. So make the cell active, then click on the font box, and then it's going to display these different fonts. Maybe you can change to Arial Black. So you can see there is a difference between these fonts, and basically that is how you changed a font in Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe, comment, share, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on our new uploads. Thank you.